Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Claude for sales call summaries in HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To update Claude for sales call summaries in HubSpot, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the left sidebar, scroll down and locate the integrations section. Click on App Marketplace to access the available integrations. In the search bar, type Claude to find the integration for sales call summaries. Select the Claude integration from the search results. Once on the Claude integration page, click on the Install App button. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration with your HubSpot account. After installation, return to the Settings page and look for Workflows under the Automation section. Click on Create Workflow to set up a new automation for sales call summaries. Choose the type of workflow that best fits your needs, such as a contact-based workflow. Select the trigger event that will activate your workflow, such as a completed sales call. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus icon in the workflow editor. Search for the Claude action in the list of available actions. Select the action that allows you to generate a sales call summary. Fill in the required fields to customize your call summary template. Make sure to include relevant information that will provide clear insights for your sales team. Once you're satisfied with the template, save your changes. Test the workflow to ensure that Claude is generating summaries correctly. Monitor the results by checking the summary logs within HubSpot. If adjustments are needed, return to the workflow settings and refine your template or triggers. Finally, keep your sales team informed about the new updates and how to access the summaries. By following these steps, you will successfully update Claude for sales call summaries in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.